right, guys, the Smart Pro Lite is sent without the battery pack plugged in. You're going to need a Phillips, 2 screws, one here, and you'll pop the battery cover off, lift your kickstand up, pop the battery cover off real quick like. As you can see, the battery pack right here, it's going to plug in right over here. Try not to block the angle of the camera here. Plug that in, set that there. Go ahead and put your battery cover back on. Probably should take the screws out first. Put it back on. I'm going to drop the screws in, tighten it back up, and then we'll be good to go to power it up. So, just FYI, it is shipped without the battery pack plugged in, safety reasons, and I'm sure most of them are going to be this way, so just make sure to plug that in real quick before you get started with your Smart Pro Lite.